Hello and welcome. So how do you create the Etsy seller account without a credit card? It's really simple because you don't need a credit card to use this. So just go ahead and let's go ahead to the Etsy seller. I'm going to teach you how to set up an account here. Click on this one, the sign in. You should click whatever, you can just create an account off of those things. You're going to be needing to input your email address here and your first name that you'd like to be inputted on your account, and select a password of your own. And then, yeah, that's it. You just have to register. And sometimes it takes a while, but right now, see, it's that easy. You don't need a credit card to do this. And yep, that's just it. That's how quick and simple it is. You can now shop here and sell. So thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice day.